one thing that can be quite interesting is, and this might sound odd, but try and annoy them a little bit. There's a really, and not too much of course, but there's a really good story in Made to Stick where they're talking about piano makers. And the idea of this exercise was to get everybody to say what was great about their brand. And these piano makers, I can't remember their name, they gave this really kind of stock answer about what was great, and everybody just kind of rolled their eyes. And it turned into a bit of a debate. And one person said, it said something along the lines of, it really wouldn't be a disaster if this disappeared from the world. And the guy got quite irate, and sort of it gave us lovely, sorry, I said to the mic, this guy gave this lovely, eloquent explanation of why this type of piano was so fantastic. And at that moment, they said, that's it. That's what you should say. Now, that sounds a bit hokey in some ways, but quite often if you challenge a client and just say, well, a client will often say, oh, we're different, we care, whatever it is. And if you push them and say, well, yeah, so does everyone. Everyone tells me that. And if you can keep going, to some extent, it's just that skill of being a good interviewer, a good listener. Of just, you'll know from interviewing other people that you just have to follow those answers and just kind of pay attention and just keep digging and be a little bit annoying. I don't think there's a secret killer question that we said, not one we've discovered. If anyone finds it, please let me know. It would make life a lot easier. But no, it's just that, I think, just trying to get beyond those stock responses.